Okay guys, we got this 15 Durango. So they said they, I guess they put a new fuse box in it. I guess another shop or customer. They said they bought it from the dealership. If you look, we have no dash lights. Ignition's on right now. I'm scanning the car. No turn signals. Even on the back of the car, we got no turn signals. Our parking lights do work. So if I put our parking lights on, I'll show you guys. We'll put, there you go, even headlights on. Put our hazard lights on. Our hazard lights do work. So hazard lights work, parking lights work. Now I did notice that the front headlight's out on one side. I don't know if that's an issue. I think they said the wipers don't work too. Yeah, we got no wiper control. And I guess they have the old fuse box. But then we only got one headlight. So there's only one headlight. So that's where we're at. So I'm gonna let this scan. Oh, we did scan. Lost communication with steering angle sensor. Lost communication with steering column module. Steering column module. Huh. So we got a lot of lost communication with the steering column module. Save all these. I want to see what comes back. Let me save this. Okay guys, so I cleared all the codes. So we got this lost communication with steering column control module, and the TCM, ABS, lost communication with steering angle sensor, which I'm feeling that they're the same. Occupant restraint, tire, implausible data received from cluster. So I wonder if it's the steering column control module. And then this BCM says all these tail light controls and wiper. So I'm wondering if either something's wrong with the fuse box or there's something wrong with the these other modules. Okay, so I found this fuse 82. So our fuse 82 looks good. Then I came over here and I started checking this one. This one's blown. I'm gonna look to see what fuse 57 powers. See 57 right there? Looks like 57 powers our headlamp, so that's why that's not working. I'm gonna go through these fuses and check them all. So guys, I just looked up fuse 25. It says 25 right here, which is right here, and that fuse is missing. That's why our wipers don't work. I'm gonna look up this other one, this K1, or F1. F1 isn't here. Fuse 1, whatever fuse 1's supposed to do. Well guys, they got me the old relay box right here. Now they did tell me that nothing powered up on the car. I guess they put the fuse box in after talking to them. And I did notice that they have different circuit breakers between the two, but I've actually found our fuse laying right here. I didn't realize it. And I stuck that in there. I put another fuse in here, but I have a feeling that's gonna blow. But I have a feeling now our wipers will work. I don't know if anything else will work, but let's see. Look, our wipers work. So our wipers work. Let's see. Which way is off? There, I guess that's off. Where's it up? I think that's on. I think that should be off. Or maybe that's why they had it out. Does the wipers not shut off? Let's see if our headlights work. Maybe we can't shut our headlights off. Nope. Looks like our headlight fuse probably blew. There's probably water in this or something. Let's see what our fault scan does. So I'm guessing our wipers get stuck on, and that might have been why they pulled the fuse out. They didn't tell me that. But I think we gotta go after the steering column control module. If we look at this steering column control module, it comes up quickly. It doesn't show communication. Okay guys, so I found out that they redid this C7 connector right here. C7, I came down here and I noticed that one of these is says it's supposed to be pink and yellow right here, and we got a red and yellow, which I don't know where that goes. Then when I came down here to this bottom side, this is pin 21 right here, I think, or no, 22, which is red. So that's right. Let me bring 22 up to the top. So we got red at the top. So we got red, white and orange. Then we got white and brown. Then we got light green and light blue after the white, which is right there. And we got a space, which is supposed to be light green. Let's see. 26. 26. Is there a 26? No, 26. Skip. 27. It says white and brown right there, which we have. Then the next one is white and light green. And it says light green for 30, which if you look, light green's in 29. 27 is supposed to be white. Yeah, 28. Okay, 28 is supposed to be skipped, and they put something in 28. So that screwed everything up right there. See, 28's not on the list. So I think we got to depin this connector and move all these over, because let's see, 32 is supposed to be red, and if you look here, red is in 31. You guys can see that. So everything's shifted over one. So I'm going to see if we can fix this. Maybe we can figure out which one goes where then. Okay guys, I've repinned all the wires on this one side. I'm going to plug it back in and we'll see what happens. Maybe our fuses won't blow this time. Okay guys, let's see if everything works. Oh, we got instrument cluster, guys. Look at that, everything powers up. Do our windows work? Okay, that window works. This one doesn't. I think this one's broke. Our other windows go down. Let me put our wiper fuse back in. Put our wiper fuse back in. See if our wipers will reset. Got turn signal? Oh, we got turn signals. There you go, our wipers. Let's see what happens back here. Look at that. The other side worked. Oh, look at our radio though. I wonder if we're low on battery voltage. That'd be low on voltage. Let me do a full system scan real quick. Oh guys, our battery voltage is low. I'm gonna get a jump pack. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Everything went to stored. Radio came on. Let's do a quick erase. I think we're good here, guys. That was a problem. We didn't have power going to our steering column module because the circuits were all messed up. So now all I gotta do is figure out what's going on with the headlight, because they're probably not gonna want me to do that. I guess they can't get a hold of the customer either, so we'll just clear these codes real quick and I think we're gonna be good to go. There we go, guys. We scanned almost all the modules. On a quick try to start it. Okay, I'm gonna need my bigger jump pack, I guess. Okay guys, so it's running. No problems here. Everything seems to be working. They're gonna work on the headlight, I guess. Here was the connector. They had repinned the whole connector themselves. So that's why that happened. I just cleared all the codes. Do another fault scan, but we had no codes, so we're good to go. Hope you guys like it. See you later. Yeah, here you guys go. Look at that, no codes. See you later.